Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas TMWYT, back again in Pop's garage. What are we doing over here, sir?
Badging up the Alpha that just got painted.
So I know we haven't really shown this car at all on the channel. We painted it Ferrari Rossa Corsa, so it's actual paint now and not wrap. It turned out really, really pretty. It's pretty sick, and it matches perfectly with what we're talking about today. We got Irv's Focus RS finally back on the channel. What's up, man? It has been 8 months since the last update for the Focus RS. Last time we showed the car, we were talking about the whole turbo fiasco. Basically, the turbo had a bad seal, so Irv had to pull it out, send it back to Precision. They said, oh, there's nothing wrong with this turbo, but we're gonna send you another one anyway. So obviously there was something wrong, but no issues other than that. After that, the turbo went back in. Irv just had to do a turbo install twice. You know, is what it is, as long as he's not paying a shop though. But yeah, so somebody commented on the video saying that they think this car blew up because I haven't shown it on the channel, and we can reassure you that it is not blown up. It's driving great. The turbo is awesome. So we just thought we'd do a little 8-month update on the big turbo setup and kind of Irv's thoughts. And that's pretty much it. I mean, he hasn't done anything all that much. I'll kind of just take you around. He's got the tire letters that you guys probably haven't seen, and then added some white trim to the splitters, which adds a really cool kind of effect with the white wheels. And then
Matching stitching on the steering wheel. Oh yeah, my steering wheel has blue stitching now.
wait, really?
Yeah, stitching.
Sheesh! So no more McDonald's wheel?
Yeah.
When did you do that?
I got it done actually like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, that's sick.
So now it's blue. It matches the stitching on the seats.
Did you just go through the same company?
No, actually, Andrea's dad did it.
That's dope. So he just redid the stitching.
Redid the stitching, and then they made a blue vinyl sticker to cover the yellow.
That's sick. Yeah. Basically, I'll leave that video up here if you want to see it. We installed the custom carbon fiber wheel with the shift lights and everything, but he bought it off a Focus ST Boy that had it color matched yellow, and Irv never really cared. He just wanted a cool steering wheel. And finally, what, like a year later, finally has it with the blue stitching. I'll get you guys a better look of it. That's pretty sick though. So yeah, Irv's just kind of been doing like little stuff here and there, because basically it's full bolt-on big turbo. So I mean, there's not a lot you can really do anymore.
Full bolt-on cams, valve springs, head studs, big turbo.
Sheesh. But we haven't had it on a dyno
I
yet.
know.
When are we doing that?
I'll probably get a dyno
Soon?
sometime this year, yeah.
Soon?
Yeah.
Leave a like down below, guys, if you want to see what the RS makes on the dyno. I know all the Ford fanboys think this is gonna explode.
We can even get a video if we need to. So.
Yes, ASAP. We're hoping somewhere in the 500 range, maybe, potential.
Maybe.
He's also got his own brand, Escobar Aero, which I'm gonna leave the link to down in the description below. If you guys are local, he does local custom splitters and side skirt extensions and custom rear diffusers. And that is Escobar Aero, and that is Irv's brand. Are you just gonna talk while I'm plugging your brand?
Yeah. What?
I plugged your brand and you're over there talking.
Maybe I
Hit him up if you want to get a splitter. Has these tail lights. I don't know if we've shown those. And then just again the white accents pretty much all over. A couple stickers. Pretty ooh, rainbow chrome. Oh hey, it's Urban. Wow. Follow the boy on Instagram. She's got like 10 followers. Pretty sick. Yeah, let's get you guys a better look at the wheel. Man, that looks dope. Yeah, so it's basically the same wheel, and they just had it redone. Irv had it redone. Blue stitching. And the Sparko is still looking so fire in there. What are your thoughts on the seat? What, you've had it for 6 months?
Yeah, I don't even remember, to be honest with you. But
Yeah.
I like it a lot. I drove the car to Arizona in February, so 10-hour drive in that seat. Definitely need some lumbar support, so I bought the Sparko pad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's on the bottom.
His Irv's getting old, you know, his back's probably going out. So he's like 40 now, so had to get the lumbar support. But yeah,
Lumbar
pretty
support.
sick seat, saves a lot of weight, and sometimes with those seats, like a 10-hour drive would make you not want to have the seat anymore. The 10-hour drive to Arizona, the car functioned great. No
Perfect.
issues.
No issues. It's the Precision NX2 Drop turbo for the RS. And I don't drive the car every day, and when I do drive it like I stole it. So that
How it
tells you
should be,
something.
yeah.
That tells you something. So the car's obviously been reliable. Haven't had any issues with it at all. I mean, I've just kind of been enjoying it. And it's a straight E40 car, so it stays on E40 unless I go to Arizona, then I put it up back to pump gas. But
Do they just not have E40 on there? Or
well, I mean,
E85?
just it's trying to find E40 on the way down there.
Mm-hmm.
So I just put it back to pump gas, and when I got back up to Salt Lake, I put it back on E. So
And no issues there?
no issues there. Literally, car's living on E, big turbo,
And
small block,
who tunes the car again?
JST performance.
And you've been with him since you,
Literally since the first tune.
and it's been great. And how many revision tunes did it take to get the turbo dialed in?
Once we got everything figured out, I think we did 20 revisions
20 revisions, wow.
on the big turbo.
Sheesh. Well, I think now we've kind of showed it in the garage. Do a little cinematic here for you guys, kind of show off the car in all its glory. It's looking super pretty under the lights here in Pop's garage. Super pretty, and then we'll probably just hop in, take it for a little rip. I'll give you guys my passenger butt dyno experience, and we'll talk with Irv a little bit more. And then, yeah, we'll see what else Irv has planned this year. If you guys have any ideas for him, you're more than welcome to leave them down in the comments below, and I'll relay them to him. Also, if you want to tell him that his car is going to blow up, I will send him those comments as well, because he loves to hear it. And let's go for a drive. My butt dyno says it's fast, so you guys can believe me in the comments. Car's not blown up. We're probably making 1,000 horsepower, so at least. 55 miles an hour, performed on a closed course by professional drivers. Thank you. Disclaimer. Oh my gosh, it's so quick. Wow. Irv's car is really fun to ride in no matter what. It's super fun. It makes all the fun noises, especially the clutch when it goes brrr. Yeah, Irv's car is doing good. Contrary to popular belief, it is not exploded. Turbo works, engine works, still the original motor, 50,000 miles.
Still banging gears.
Still banging gears and banging your mom. But that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you checking out today's video. Make sure to check out Irv's Instagram down below if you guys are local. He makes custom side skirt splitters, kind of aero parts for your car, so hit him up. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like down below. Comment any ideas you have for Irv, and he might probably not do them because he doesn't listen to anybody. But that is gonna do it for today, guys. I appreciate you watching. Leave a like down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.